Number 5. Royal Purple High Performance Full Synthetic 5W30. Want maximum performance and smoother rides? Go for Royal Purple 5W30, the oil that boosts both horsepower and torque. With exceptional oxidation stability, it resists breakdown even under high stress. It provides superior wear protection, extending your engine's life and keeping it running like new. Perfect for drivers who demand both power and reliability. And at only $12, Royal Purple delivers real performance with every mile. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 10W30. Does your engine feel sluggish or your fuel economy dropping? Try Pennzoil Platinum 10W30, made from natural gas for ultra-clean performance. It offers 15,000-mile guaranteed protection and keeps pistons cleaner than ever. This oil flows faster during cold starts and shields your engine in extreme heat, maximizing power and mileage. Ideal for high-performance vehicles at $47, Pennzoil delivers cleaner engines, longer life, and smoother drives. Number 3. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5W20. If your engine's losing power or running hot, it's time for Valvoline Advanced 5W20. This formula fights the 4 biggest threats: wear, friction, heat, and deposits, offering 40% better wear protection than industry standards. With 25% more cleaning power, it keeps your engine spotless and efficient. Made in the USA and trusted for over 150 years, Valvoline delivers unbeatable reliability and performance at $26 mile after mile. Number 2. Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic 0W20. Engines today face extreme pressure, and cheap oils simply can't handle it. That's where Castrol Edge 0W20 comes in. Built to be 3x stronger than leading synthetics, it delivers 10 times better performance under stress and lasts up to 20,000 miles between changes. Approved by major car brands, it ensures unbeatable wear protection and peak efficiency. For just $27, Castrol Edge gives your engine strength, endurance, and performance you can feel. Number 1. Mobil 1 Extended Performance 5W30. Tired of changing oil too often or still worrying about engine wear? Here's your fix. Mobil 1 Extended Performance 5W30. The oil built for endurance. It protects your engine for up to 20,000 miles, reducing friction and preventing sludge buildup. With its triple action plus formula, it keeps your engine clean, powerful, and fuel efficient, even under extreme heat or freezing cold. Trusted by professionals worldwide, Mobil 1 delivers smooth, long-lasting performance for only $29. Each of these top 5 motor oils delivers proven performance, unbeatable protection, and maximum efficiency, mile after mile. Which one will you trust for your next oil change? Tell us in the comments below. If you want us to review a new product, write its name in the comments so we can feature it in a future video. Love smart car gear and honest reviews like this? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.